skip test. Sometimes, under certain circumstances, we want to cancel unit test execution. In Golang, we can also cancel unit test execution if we want. To cancel a unit test, we can use the skip function. Next, we create a t.Skip function, which is used to test the Hello World function. We use the constant runtime, GOOS, which is set to Windows. If the value is Windows, the t.Skip cannot run on Windows. Function is called to skip the test with the reason cannot run on Windows. This prevents the test from being run in unsupported environments. Next, we add the require function to observe the test results. We try to test the wrong one, then the result is executed. It turns out there is a typo, it should be Windows. Let's see the result. The result of the test that is done is skip because the system is running on Windows.